Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to tie a fisherman's knot. So, first you will need a hook or lure kind of thing, just like that. You could do either, but I prefer, I really don't care. I'm a fisherman, so. Okay, so, why am I doing it that way? Okay, so. Ow. Oh boy. Okay, so I got the hook off the line. And then just, kind of clean it up. If you already had some on there. Some fishing rods, I'm not kidding, are ready there. And then I got that off because I cut it off. So some fish, the ready to fish rods. That's what they're called. Oh, crap. Alright, hold that right there. Sometimes when you cut it off, you kind of have to restring it because it darts off. Happens to me all the time. And I'm a pro fisherman. Just the salt water, not fresh water. Alright, nope, stay. Oh, okay, it's not staying for us. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to take... Okay. So you want to take your string and then put it... Take the string and... Alright, there. I'm going to put it through the hook. Like so. Now, depending on how you want this, you can put your finger right there and then just twirl it around 5 to 7 times. Okay, that's 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, and then you want to put the string back through after you did your 5 to 7 times, and then just kind of bring it back in. And then you slide it in, and then once you get it in, you pull. Like so. And then, let me get the camera to focus. But yeah, it looks like it's like 3 round, and then so it's tied on. And then the little tail right here, the little excess, you can cut that off. Okay, so that's the first stage. I'm not going to cut it off. Okay, the next stage, you will need a pack of rubber or plastic worms. Now these can be any size compared to your hook, but I wanted the smaller one because I'm going bass fishing. So you would want these. These are the brand by Yum. They're Yum Dingers. And we are going to Texas rig. Well, I'm going to show you two rigs, the wacky rig and the Texas rig. Now, the wacky rig is super, super simple. So you take the worm, it's not live, it's plastic, and then you just slide the hook right up into it, and there. It's super simple. So you can get a simple look at it. And it's on there. And then so like when you would be fishing, you would yank it slowly so it looks like the worm is moving around. Okay, so that is a wacky rig. Let me take the worm off. Okay, so next you would want to do a Texas rig, which is top. Let's take the top, go through, in a little bit, and then down. And cut that, like you have that little piece there and none else of the worm is attached. Okay, now put it there. And then you want to turn it around and then kind of back it up a little bit and then pull forward through the worm. And then, so this is perfect for if there's a lot of weeds in the pond. So this would be perfect because it would just, ow, stuck myself there. You don't want to do that, that kind of hurts. So you just want to stick it through there. And this is the worm, and then you just glide it along so it looks like it's swimming and jump it up. And the bass will just kind of eat it. I mean, that's what bass do. You have to be an idiot not to know that fish eat. Probably gonna get demonetized because of that. And then, so yeah. Again, I'm telling you, if anybody's watching this and has a stand, I need it. Okay, so you can also do a Ned rig, which I will show. Ow. Hooks are sharp. Don't play with them. So you see, so what you want to do is you want to take this and then just put it through there and slide it as much in and not show the hook. Just keep sliding it in, and then eventually you just boom, pop it out, slide it like this, and then this is preferably with a jig head. So there you, that's a Ned rig. I will show you one I made earlier. It's in here. I made this earlier before the video. Here, this is the perfect, this is what you want right here. With the jig head, and then so, that is good. So that is how you do the Ned rig and jig it out. There's little barbs on these hooks. And boom. There you go. And then you could also, for bass fishing, this would be good. So this is a frog, a hollow body frog, and it has these little tails on it. These are to make it more realistic, and so a fish will bite down on it, and then it'll just come over it, clobber it, and then, yeah. And then so these hooks on the end, there's two, and then once it's a top water bait, so once it gets blown up by a bass, you hook it really hard and then you got a bass. So that is called a top water bait. And then I will show you a crankbait without trying to get hooked. This is a crankbait. So you just reel it in slowly and it's like a fish imitation. So that is a crankbait. And this is really good also. Brighter colors are better if it's murky water or if it's sandy water. So those would be good. And then darker, more realistic colors, that would be good for clear water. So put this back. And then, so that's about it. I mean, I just have hooks and other stuff in here. Nothing really else. Alright. That's it. Thank you for watching. And sub to my channel.